Your tough jobs, the rough conditions. The DEWALT DCR015 charger radio keeps you powered up and prepared for the day. Convenient and compact, the DCR015 charges DEWALT 12V Max and 20V Max batteries, as well as many USB-compatible electronic devices while you work, doubling as a job site radio to keep you moving. A 360-degree roll gauge delivers maximum durability for even the tough conditions. Charge a cell phone, MP3 player, portable satellite radio receiver, or other digital audio devices with the USB port, while helping to keep it safe from worksite debris in the DCR015's device storage box. AC/DC power gives you the option to plug it in and play music or run the DCR015 off a DEWALT 12V Max or 20V Max battery when AC power is unavailable. We heard you. Now hear this. The DCR015 charger radio, powered up and ready to work.